Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Breezeway for property management software. So the first thing that we should do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to search for Breezeway, and then you just have to select the first website. Then after clicking on the first website, you will be able to see this section right here. Okay, so in this video, I cannot really access the dashboard of the tool since we have to request for a demo first before we can create our account. So what we're going to do here is we are going to talk about the different solutions. So we have the vacational rental managers, hotels and resorts, cleaners and service providers, residential property managers, service apartments, corporate housing, and host. So let's start with the vacation rental managers. Okay, so here you can automate your vacation rental operations. So running vacation rental is easier with Breezeway. Okay, so this is the dashboard or the inside of the tool when you create your account. Okay, so as you can see right here, you have your vacation rental dashboard. You have this details right here. Okay, and then here, take note that it's an AI powered guest messaging, detailed task history, and proactive preventative maintenance. Okay, and then for the workflow automation, it automates tasks and coordinates schedules remotely. So empower teams with customizable checklists, monitor task progress in real time, and fill gap nights with automated messaging. Okay, and of course, it ensures the quality at every property and resolve guest requests faster. Next one is we have the hotels and resorts. For the hotels and resorts here, you have an intelligent dashboard so you can track the readiness in real time to make sure your rooms are guest ready. So here we have the Breezeway's cloud-based system seamlessly connects to leading hotel property management system including Opera, MEWS, and cloud beds to streamline all the information you need into one convenient dashboard. Okay, so it ensures consistent and quality housekeeping operations. So keep digital task logs in standardized processes, and then manage housekeeping teams. And then for the streamlined communication, it maintains seamless personalized guest communication via AI powered messaging. So it boosts guest satisfaction through communication, share a digital guest book, and assign tasks directly from messaging. Next, for cleaners and service providers. So here, as you can see, a clear dashboard for every job and every rental property. So we have a clear visibility into your cleaning jobs is key to running smooth operations. Breezeway's dashboard pulls in everything you need from iCalls on your client's PMS, so you know exactly what needs to be done at each property. So empower your teams with customized digital tech checklists. So you can equip your team with everything they need to succeed. Um, they need to succeed the mobile. Empower your teams with customized digital checklists. Equip your team with everything they need to succeed. And then the mobile app provides clear instructions and reference photos. Customizable checklists help ensures every task is completed accurately and efficiently, no matter the property or assignment. So assign jobs to the right staff and track the status of the jobs in real time. Pay your teams directly and eliminate invoicing headaches. Next, we have the residential property. Okay, so here you can simplify your to-do list property maintenance done right. So the Breezeway's property maintenance software helps property managers, management companies coordinate, communicate, and verify detailed maintenance tasks to ensure happy residents and smooth operations. So you can automate unit turn processes for top quality results. So you can stop manually scheduling every task between your resident turns, save time, and ensure consistent quality work by automating repeatable processes for unit turns and inspections. Breezeway management features enable you to set up workflows to schedule tasks, gain visibility into work orders, and track field reported issues effortlessly. Okay, and then you can keep tabs on your team with real-time visibility into the fields, custom checklists at your fingertips, live issue tracking and alerts, seamless staff coordination. And of course, for the preventative maintenance, stay ahead of issues with occurring maintenance tasks. Ditch standalone solutions like calendar reminders or Excel spreadsheets. And then, of course, you can say goodbye to 2 a.m. stress. Assess has you covered 24/7. Next one is for the service apartments. Okay, so here for the service apartments, you can automate workflows and ensure accountability. So equip your team with digital checklists, empower your team with custom checklists for each property with Breezeway's mobile app available in 10 languages. So seamless staff coordination, live issue tracking, and alert. And here you can save time on every turnover, smart scheduling for short term and long term stays. So we have scalable and flexible processes, proactive maintenance, and AI powered guest messaging. And for the hotel grade operations, we have mobile check-ins made easy. So share door codes and check instructions with ease using the Breezeway's digital welcome book and automated guest messaging. It offers early check-ins, extra line-ins, and personalized touches to enhance the stay and drive more revenue. Next is the corporate housing. Okay, for the corporate housing, as you can see right here, you can make your corporate housing operation software work for you. So the Breezeways flexible and fully customizable tools are made to meet your unique business and guest needs, from temporary housing solution to business traveler needs. So again, they have proactive maintenance, thorough inspections, and team coordinations. So for the mobile test management, you can keep tabs on your team with real-time visibility in the field. So custom checklists at your fingertips. Again, live issue tracking and alert, and seamless staff coordination. And lastly, we have here now the host. Okay, so for the host, you can drive additional revenue by offering guest stay extensions when there are gaps in reservations. So you can connect your Airbnb or PMS to save time and boost your reviews. So it has easy message with your guests, send a mobile welcome book to guests, and coordinate tasks and pay the cleaners. And of course, you also have here the different integrations that you can integrate using this tool. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.